Hello everybody, my name is Marcus and welcome back to my Learning German blog. And today we will talk about the weather in German. So you will get prepared for your next small talk with your German neighbor. Okay, before I start, I want to remember you, if you watch the video until the end, I will have a little surprise for you at the end of the video. And if you'd like to get more information, just check out my website, marcuslanguageacademy.com. Okay. Today we will talk about Wetter. So we have three words here because we can tell our weather in present tense. And so how do we ask in present tense for the weather conditions? So we just simply ask, wie ist das Wetter? Okay. The colors I used is also the same colors I use in my courses. And so what is you see in green here, it would be the subject in nominative. Okay. And red because it's irregular, and so I pointed out to you. Okay, so let's say we think the weather is nice. So how do we answer? In this case, we just simply say, das Wetter ist gut. Or maybe das Wetter ist sehr gut. Okay? But now, how would it be if we talk about the weather from the past, like from yesterday? So, how would be the questions? Any ideas? Almost the same. Wie war das Wetter? How was the weather? No? Wie war das Wetter? So in this case, what you would say? Okay, das Wetter war gut. But there's something more. No? We also could talk about how the weather will be. The question in this case should be, wie wird das Wetter? Wie wird das Wetter? Wird, it's an auxiliary, it's a little bit in English the word will, no? So how will the weather be, but actually we don't use the word be, we just ask, wie wird das Wetter, okay? It's like a shorter version and most German people just use it this way. And in this case, same thing, and we would say, das Wetter wird gut. So let's say, tomorrow, no, morgen, no, das Wetter wird gut. Okay. Wie ist das Wetter? No? In this case, you say, das Wetter ist schlecht. No? Sometimes the weather is bad. No? Das Wetter ist schlecht. Wie war das Wetter? Das Wetter war schlecht. Und wie wird das Wetter? No? Quite easy. Das Wetter wird schlecht. Okay? Okay, wie ist das Wetter? Any ideas? So let's check it out. Es ist sonnig. Es? Yes, we actually can use as well es. It's like a little bit shorter because das Wetter, and so we can just shorten it up and we say es ist sonnig, like it is sunny. Okay? So it's green again because it's the subject, and so we can say es ist sonnig. No? Wie war das Wetter? And in the short version it would be as well es war sonnig. And wie wird das Wetter? Es wird sonnig. Okay? Okay, wie ist das Wetter? Oh, it's cold, it's cold. And then you would say, es ist kalt. Und wie war das Wetter? Es war kalt. And wie wird das Wetter? Es wird kalt. And when you say it's like warm, no? Wie ist das Wetter? Es ist warm. Wie war das Wetter? Es war warm. No? Sounds funny. War warm. Okay. And wie wird das Wetter? Es wird warm. Okay. And when it's even getting hotter, no? Wie ist das Wetter? Es ist heiß. Es ist heiß. Wie war das Wetter? Es war heiß. Und wie wird das Wetter? Es wird heiß. Oh, now it's cloudy. No? So, wie ist das Wetter? Es ist bewölkt. Bewölkt. Inside you have wölkt, no? And the noun for cloud is Wolke. So, cloudy, bewölkt, cloud, die Wolke. No? Bewölkt. Es ist bewölkt. Und wie war das Wetter? Okay, es war bewölkt. Und wie wird das Wetter? Ja, es wird bewölkt. Oh, it's raining, no? Wie ist das Wetter? Es regnet. Actually, I said now in English, it's raining, it is raining, no? In German, actually, we just say it rains, okay? With all the other sentences as well, it rains. And if we really refer to the moment, maybe you could say, es regnet gerade. Es regnet im Moment, no? At the moment, no? Es regnet jetzt, no? So, actually, we don't have a tense like the present progressive. We just say, es regnet, okay? Wie war das Wetter? Now, regnet, it's a verb, regnen. So, es hat geregnet. It has rained, okay? Es hat geregnet, no? We just use it this way. This is a participle, geregnet. Es hat geregnet. Und wie wird das Wetter? Es wird regnen. It will rain. Es wird regnen, no? This is infinitive, no? Geregnet, participle, this is infinitive. Es wird regnen. Oh, winter time, no? In Germany there's also snow, no? So, wie ist das Wetter? Es schneit, no? The verb is schneien, no? Es schneit. Wie war das Wetter? Es hat geschneit. Again, geschneit, participle. Es hat geschneit. And wie wird das Wetter? Es wird schneien. Es wird schneien. It will snow. Es wird schneien. Whoa, wie ist das Wetter? I hate wind normally. Okay. So here it would be, es ist windig. Windig, no? It's like windy. It's windy. Und wie war das Wetter? Es war windig. Es war windig. Wie wird das Wetter? Es wird windig. Oh, here. Sometimes it could be foggy, no? So, wie ist das Wetter? Es ist neblig. Neblig, no? It's foggy. Es ist neblig. Wie war das Wetter? Es war neblig. Und wie wird das Wetter? Es wird neblig. Oh, and if you have thunder and lightning in Germany, you would say, wie ist das Wetter? No? If I ask for, es gewittert. So I really refer, we have thunder and lightning. No? We are not talking about rain, about storms. No? It's just es gewittert. And so we have lightning and thunder. Wie war das Wetter? Es hat gewittert. Es hat gewittert. No? Und wie wird das Wetter? Es wird gewittern. No? Prepare yourself. Es wird gewittern. And then maybe we want to also ask for the temperature. So we could change a little bit the question. We could ask, wie viel Grad sind es? No? How many degrees are? No? In this case, es sind 20 Grad. Es sind 20 Grad. And actually we use plural. It are 20 degrees. So es sind 20 Grad. And in past tense, it would be, wie viel Grad waren es? Und es waren 20 degrees. It were 20 degrees. No? Es waren 20 Grad. In future tense, wie viel Grad werden es? No? Will be. No, we don't even here we don't use be. So wie viel Grad werden es? Und es werden 20 Grad. No? So here it's plural. Es werden 20 Grad. Okay. That's all about the weather. So you have some basic sentences. You can tell it in present tense and in past tense and in future tense. So if you talk to somebody, actually now you can say something. And maybe you add some more information to this, but the system, it's quite the same all the time. Okay, like I promised you, I have a little surprise for you. This kind, I have a question for you. So what do you see here in this figure? Many people say it's like a dog or a horse, okay? So let's say it's an animal. And you can move one of those 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can move one of those lines and you get the same animal. So maybe you pause the video and think which line you move and to where, okay? Pause the video and think about it. Okay? Did you get it? So I show you the line first. You should move this line. Okay, maybe you can pause the video again and think how you can move this line that you get the same animal again. Okay, pause it, and I show you now the solution. It's so easy, and most of people don't get it. It's just going here. And now we just turn it, and now we have again our animal. So maybe test your friends, test your family with this. No, it's fun, and maybe you can win a beer, no, if you bet it. No. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. Maybe you can write me how is your weather in your place, no? And so just write it into the comments, in the description. Also, you get more useful information to learn German. And if you have any questions, just contact me. I'm more than happy to talk to everybody. Okay, thank you very much, and I say auf Wiedersehen.